Could a plant really bring you money and luck? Around the world, two houseplants have earned a reputation for wealth and prosperity: the jade plant and the money tree. The jade plant, also called the friendship tree, has thick, round leaves that resemble coins. In many cultures, that shape symbolizes growth and financial success. Feng Shui traditions often place jade plants near the entrance of a home or business to attract prosperity. Then there's the money tree, scientifically known as Pachira aquatica. It's usually braided while it grows, and legend says its unique shape locks in good fortune. The money tree became especially popular in East Asia as a symbol of wealth and positive energy. Now, whether or not these plants truly bring luck, here's what we do know. Both are hardy, low-maintenance houseplants. The jade plant thrives on very little water, storing it in its leaves. While the money tree prefers indirect light and occasional watering, they don't just brighten up a room, they also improve indoor air quality by filtering toxins and releasing oxygen. So even if luck isn't guaranteed, what you will gain is a beautiful, stress-reducing plant that's easy to care for and carries centuries of symbolism tied to growth, abundance, and positive energy. So do you believe in lucky plants? Whether you do or not, jade plants and money trees are wonderful additions to any home. For more amazing gardening facts and tips, hit that subscribe button and join us here at CVC Gardens.